How to use Zelle with First Financial Bank. You don't need a separate Zelle app. It's already integrated into First Financial's online and mobile banking platforms. To enroll, log into First Financial Bank's online banking or the mobile banking app. Then go to Send Money with Zelle. In Texas, you'll find it under Payments and Transfers, and in Indiana, Illinois, Kentucky, etc., it's under the main menu. Accept the terms and conditions when prompted. Register an email address or a US mobile number and link it to your deposit account. Verify via one-time code sent to your email or phone. And then you're all set. Zelle is now linked and ready to use. First Financial applies these Zelle limits. Per transaction up to $500. Daily you get 2 transactions and weekly a maximum of $1,000 in 5 transactions and monthly up to $4,000 or 20 transactions. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.